Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will introduce you bucket with self-cleaning and self-rain system. Let me go ahead and clean it up. Normally I was expecting this big, but this is so small. Look at that. Let me open it. This is from Joymoop or Joymoop, whatever it is. Why is it too small? Okay, this is for the wash and this is for the dry. Let me take it out. There's a lock. These are the parts for this. I have two extras. Open it like that. Seems good. Okay, there is user manual. Joymoop or Joymoop. Okay. You need to hold it like that and push it. It's going a little bit hard, but this is the area. It's gonna make it dry. Yeah, we'll see. Let me put some water in it. I'm gonna put it like that. And then lock it. Alright, I put the water. This is the area for maximum. And we're gonna screw it. Let's see this one. This is the last one. Let me show you how to use it. First of all, put in the wash area and then wash it. Then it's gonna be too much water and you're gonna dry it. Make it dry first. And then you can use it. Then we're gonna bring it over here and we're gonna wash it again. And we're gonna dry it. And you can clean it. Okay, this is the dirty water for only that area. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. You're asking me to suggest this to you? Yes, I can suggest it. I mean, it seems so small, but it's not gonna occupy too much space. I mean, you can buy it. I suggest that. This is the area. You can just left it. I like the holder also. It's very sturdy. Huh? Take it out. Okay, that's enough.